Hey, this is Jared with the App Podcast. We're brought to you by GoDaddy.com and Invoke Creative. So today we're going to take a look at an app called imgCam. imgCam allows us to do some photo editing, basic photo editing here. So got an image loaded here. I'm going to show you how to load a new one. You can either load an image from your photo library on your phone or even your iPod. You could use this on your iPod Touch right now. Even though the actual camera option will only work currently on iPhone. So, you know, we're all holding out for iPod Touches to have cameras. So let's go and grab an image. I'm going to discard the one that we have. Let's grab that same image. So it gives us our our pixel ratio right here. We've got 333 by 500. We're looking at the picture at 83% of its actual size. So I can go right in here and we get some basic editing tools. The most useful tools are the cropping tools. We could just simply resize the image to a specific size if we wanted to just downsize or upsize an image. We can even type in a custom size, maintain the aspect ratio so it doesn't stretch out the image if we'd like, and then type in, you know, a measurement. Hit OK, and then it shrinks down the image. We can always hit undo to go back. We also have some image effects here: gray tone, sepia, bright, and then comic. Comic's the only one that's not self-explanatory, but it actually does a pretty good job of taking that image and kind of transforming it into something fun. Hit undo and go right back. Then we have our crop tool, where you can actually crop the image, you know, by resizing the box here, the bounding box, and hitting the check mark, and then we've got a cropped image right there. You can always hit undo. We can also rotate an image in case you needed to do that. Undo if we went too far, or just rotate back. So those are the basic editing functions in this application. So as I noted, you can load an image from your library. You can take a new photo, and then when you're done, you can export this photo. You can save it to your camera roll. You can email the image, or you can email it with a geotag. So if we go and do a geotag, it will try to attempt to locate us, and then we can hit done when it's ready, and add that information. We could put a pin there for the photo location and then add that location to our email. So I'm not going to send that photo, but this is a pretty cool application. So this is good. You geotag those photos and then have that information as part of it when you go and upload that photo to your computer. If you use a Mac and you have iPhoto that supports geotagging, then that's going to work out well for you. So it's pretty neat. That's a new feature in this version, is the geotag. So it works well with Flickr, Picasa. There are a lot of other photo sharing websites that support geotagging. So these are really cool things to have. A really cool option to have as part of a photo editor. So yes, there are other photo editors out there with some stuff that they do. You know, they do cropping, they do some color, you know, adjusting and whatnot. But geotagging is the strong point of this application. That is going to be one of the cool things that is going to transform the way you share photos in the future, as more and more services become using, you know, geotagging of the images. So pretty cool. Check out imgCam. It's $1.99 currently in the photography category of the App Store. Check it out, and we'll see you next time on the App Podcast.